Hello, welcome. It's Inspiration Week. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. You can hear the Essex steam train in the very, very close. It's 30 yards away. I'm at Deep River Landing in Deep River, Connecticut, practicing with Fred. And today's Tàijíquán Tip is to find some stillness in nature. And when that stillness is apparent to you, maybe it's stillness of sound, maybe it's stillness of movement, maybe it's a spiritual stillness, whatever that might be. But to come into some sort of stillness with yourself, spend some time there. So maybe you come out of your posture, maybe you sit, maybe you're laid down, maybe you dance, I don't know. But with that stillness, what I'd invite you to do is open yourself to the possibility of inspiration arriving through one of your senses. So, of course, if I was practicing here, not filming, I might get inspired by the birds rushing from the steam whistle, right? I might be inspired by the difference between that grackle flying and that piper cub flying, right? So, seek some inspiration and then do your best to share it. Thank you very much.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.